Hi everyone, welcome back to Jane's On Point. Today we're talking about the Southwest Companion Pass and how you can earn it as soon as possible to enjoy almost 2 years of free travel with a companion. Stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to Jane's On Point. I'm Jane. Today we're going to be talking about the Southwest Companion Pass. It's no secret that Southwest is my favorite airline, if not my most frequently flown airline, and that's for several reasons. First of all is convenience. Our home airport happens to be a hub for Southwest, so the opportunity to find a flight always exists. Second of all is the affordability. Between the Companion Pass and earning Southwest points, we haven't paid for a flight in probably 5 or 6 years. And third is their policy. Free bags, free changes. What's not to like? So what is the Southwest Companion Pass? It's probably the most valuable companion pass out there. It allows you to take a companion with you on every flight you book for simply the price of taxes and fees. Taxes and fees can range from a couple of bucks up to $100 depending upon where you're flying. The Companion Pass also allows you to change your companion up to 3 times per year, affording more flexibility depending upon who you want to fly with and where you want to go. So how can you earn a Southwest Companion Pass? There are 2 ways. First, you can fly 100 flights on Southwest in a calendar year, or you can earn 135,000 points in a calendar year. Remember, this is calendar year and these reset on January 1st. And 135,000 points does not mean these all need to be in your account at one time. They just need to be earned throughout the year. So you can earn and burn. As long as by the end of the year you have 135,000 points earned, you will have qualified for the Companion Pass. Now, obviously the most easiest way to do this is through points. So how can you get 135,000 points as soon as possible so you can earn that Companion Pass for this year and all of next year? Let me tell you. The fastest way to earn the Companion Pass is through Southwest sign-up bonuses. You can apply for a Southwest Personal Card and earn 50,000 points after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. You can open up a Southwest Business Card and earn 60,000 to 80,000 points after spending $3,000 to $5,000 in the first 3 months. You can do a combination of these 2 or 2 business cards, whichever works best for you. It's just important to remember that you could not have earned a sign-up bonus from Southwest in the past 24 months, or you would not qualify for this. So let me give you an example of exactly what I did. First thing you have to do is sign up for a Southwest Personal Card where you can earn 50,000 points after spending just $1,000 within the first 3 months. Then the second thing is sign up for one of Southwest business cards, like the 80,000 point card, where you can earn 80,000 points after spending just $5,000 in the first 3 months. Right there, you've got 130,000 points. If you add to that the minimum spend requirement for those 2 cards, you're at about 136,000 points at the minimum. Right there, you've earned your Southwest Companion Pass, and you can start enjoying that with your companion as soon as it hits your account. If you already have a Southwest personal credit card and you don't want to cancel that and reapply, you can sign up for 2 of the Southwest business cards. One has a 60,000 point earning sign-up bonus, and the other has an 80,000 point sign-up bonus. If you apply for each of those cards and meet the minimum spend in the first 3 months, you'll have yourself 140,000 Southwest qualifying points, and you will have earned yourself a Southwest Companion Pass. I think it goes without saying that there are many combinations of ways you can earn that 135,000 points and that Companion Pass, either through credit cards, combinations of credit cards, or booking travel through Southwest, obviously flights, book travel through their portal for hotels, car rentals, vacations, and of course a referral bonus. When you refer your friends for a Southwest credit card, you can earn a big bonus there too. That will all count toward your Companion Pass qualifying points. I think it's important to note that there are some purchases that do not count. For example, you cannot buy points and have those points added to your account and count towards your Companion Pass earning. Tier points do not qualify as well, and neither do points that are transferred into your account from a family or friend. So how do you use your Southwest Companion Pass? It's pretty easy. You book a flight, you add a companion. When you first get your Southwest Companion Pass, you designate a companion, and then you can change it up to 3 times per year. When you change it, you do have to call in, but it's pretty easy to do. The nice thing about the Southwest Companion Pass is that you always get to board with your companion, except for a few extreme circumstances, like if you pay for upgraded boarding, it does not apply to your companion. Another important thing to remember is that you cannot have future flights booked with a different companion. For example, if I'm flying with my husband tomorrow, I can't have planned a trip for myself and my daughter in 2 months. It has to remain current. The only thing left to do is to pay for their taxes and fees. It can range from $5.60 upward, depending upon where you're flying. All right, once you got your 135,000 points, you'll be getting your Southwest Companion Pass, and it's time to start enjoying it. So book those flights and take full advantage of it. Remember, Southwest now flies international and to Hawaii. So take advantage and enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down below.